I'm Charlene Senrigby, CEO of Global Genes. I'm also the mom to a 9-year-old with a rare neurodevelopmental disorder called STXBP1. I'm thrilled we are launching RareX's first Open Science Data Challenge called Xcelerate RARE. RareX is committed to breaking down silos and making sure that robust data is openly available for research. Our work supports and enables next-generation advocates in their work to advance research and accelerate therapy development for rare diseases.
Open science is particularly important for AI-driven solutions because access to data allows for the best and the brightest to create AI solutions that can breed the most impact for the healthcare system. In a perfect world, we would have big data sets in order to be the foundations for building our AI solutions. However, for some conditions, such as in rare conditions, we don't have access to those data sets. Inherently, rare condition data sets are smaller. However, as scientists, we have the ability to change our approaches, to be able to customize them to what exists in the real world, and that is our responsibility.
The Open Data Challenge is so important to our Champ1 families because it allows the data or the specific whys that we have access to right now to help us understand what's going on with our children get into the hands of scientists, doctors, and folks that are studying ways to better the lives of those with genetic disorders, but also hopefully look into cures and ways to improve, whether it's neurological to physical well-being overall.
So at Sage, we've been running open data science challenges for many years now, and we found it's a great way to engage participants who may be unfamiliar with a new disease area and also exploit this wisdom of the crowds effect to bring in the best solutions from researchers from around the world.
When we look at any particular disease, we only see a subset of those patients anyways. And when we look at rare diseases in particular, we don't have that many patients that have this disease in any given institution. The Open Science Data Challenge here really focuses on a smaller, higher quality data set to begin with.
I'm really excited about this challenge. Remembering the experiences with my daughter and her journey, it was just fraught with uncertainty. Lots of frantic Googling and searching through the medical literature. And there's just really so many, you have much more questions than you can find good answers to. So I'm really hopeful that a data set collected in this way and analyzed and publicized through this open challenge will be a great resource for people into the future.
I think data challenges such as this are huge for innovation because of a couple reasons. One, it really shines a light on some of the hardest challenges that we have in healthcare. And when we look at rare diseases, these are just smaller areas of focus overall, whether it's grant-funded research, whether it's companies focusing on smaller markets. And by having this data challenge, we're really shining a light on it and bringing people to it, bringing academics, citizen scientists, large companies, small companies, and rally everybody around some of these core challenges that affect patients on a daily basis.
My son Alex, who is 7, he was diagnosed with a CACNA1A-related disorder when he was 6. He has ataxia, so his balance and coordination are impaired. He also has global developmental delays that include speech and both the fine and gross motor skills. And he also has some cognitive impairment. We're really proud to be part of the Xcelerate RARE Open Science Data Challenge because we know that contributing Alex's information to RareX can only help researchers learn more about CACNA1A-related disorders. And we're hopeful that this initiative will bring together different scientists who can take on these rare diseases and help develop treatments to improve the quality of life for our kids and our loved ones.
Check out our website and learn more about Xcelerate RARE. Let's work together to uncover more insights to drive rare disease progress.